recording, and here we have. Today is our class number 4, and this is today's topic. Today we're going to talk about internet. You can say internet or internet, okay? Internet is more common, and social media. Be careful with this one. This is social media, right? So at the end of this class, you will know vocabulary about internet and social media and how to use it. And you have to be careful with this word. It is always in capital letters. Siempre en mayúsculas. So, do you have any questions? Did you understand that?
No, teacher.
Okay. So, here we have. This is today's warm-up activity. I will choose one of you to say a word about internet and social media. You just need to answer what comes to your mind when you listen internet and social media. For example, videos, fun, pictures, or music. And after that, that student will choose another student to do the same. So let's start with Raquel. What comes to your mind when you listen internet and social media?
Well, for example, people, um, yeah, famous people, uh,
It's good.
el contenido, cualquier tipo de contenido.
That's good.
Sí.
Looks good. Really good job. So people, famous people, and content. Great. Now let's pass. Paula. No, I'm sorry. Raquel. Can you choose another student, please?
Yes, I choose um, Paola. Ok. ¿Qué digo, profe? O sea, lo que yo trabajo en las redes sociales.
No. You just need to say a word related to internet or social media. So what
Mm,
word comes to your mind when you listen internet, or what word comes to your mind when you listen social media? ¿Qué palabra te viene a la mente cuando oyes internet o redes sociales?
um, Instagram,
That's good.
TikTok, Word.
Sounds great. Really good. Now, can you choose another student, please?
What? What?
Can you choose another student?
Que se puede decir otro, quiere decir.
Another student.
Ah, I don't know. I don't know.
Otro estudiante. Student significa
Ah,
estudiante.
sí, pero no sé. Jessica.
That's it.
Okay. For example, uh, horizontal social network, vertical social network, and networks or share content, images, text, audio, videos.
That's good. Great job. And just be careful. Vertical social network is not correct.
Yeah.
There you have to use the plural, okay? Horizontal social networks. Vertical social
networks.
networks. Yes, the plural. Really good. Okay, since do you
Okay.
have that's it. Do you have any questions?
No question.
That's correct. So here we have like a glossary about internet. Here we have many words with many definitions. So let's read them one by one. So I will choose one of you to read this for from avatar to broadcast. Okay, so I will choose Maria. Can you read from avatar to broadcast? Maria, are you there? Okay, she's not there, so let's pass to Henry.
Yes,
Can you read from avatar to broadcast?
me. O tengo que explicarle eso o explicar sobre mí, sobre eso.
No, I just want you to read. Leer.
Ah, read. Ok, leer, no. Sorry.
No worries.
Avatar. Eh, sh- character that represent an online user. Blog, broadcast to send out a program, um, television or radio.
That's good. Bien.
Okay.
Cuando les digo from algo to algo, es para que lean desde aquí hasta aquí. Ok, o sea, este y este también. From avatar to broadcast means avatar bias logo and
Okay. No,
broadcast.
no. Okay. Okay. Sorry.
No worries, that's a normal
Pensé
mistake.
que era la mesa, disculpa. Sorry. Okay. Bias.
Okay, this
O
is bias.
se
Bias.
pronuncia bias. Bias. Okay. Bias. To support a person of thing in an unfair way, allowing personal options to, no sé cómo se dice en inglés, disculpe, your judgment, juicio,
Yes, judgment.
okay, judgment, okay, disculpa.
No worries.
Blogger, a person who regu varias palabras que no he pronunciado en mi vida, disculpe eso. A
No
person who regularly writes material for a blog.
That's it. Sounds great. Now, really good job, Henry. Just be careful with your pronunciations of these words. This is like k sound character. Character.
Character.
That's
Okay.
it. This is represents. Stress is in the
Represents.
last
Ah,
syllable.
sí,
Sense. This is
represents.
that's it. This is support. Stressed in port.
Support. Okay.
Stress
Support.
stress means acento, por si acaso. Support.
Support.
This is unfair.
Unfair.
Yeah, it's like only a fair. Unfair.
Unfair.
Perfect.
Suena como una.
This is allowing.
Allowing.
Yes.
Y Halloween.
Yes.
Sí.
This is opinions, not options. This is
Opinions.
opinions.
Opinions. Okay.
This influence and judgment.
Influence and judgment.
Great.
Judgment.
Now, this word is regularly.
Regularly. Okay.
Perfect. And this is material.
Material. Material.
Sounds great. Okay, students, do you have any questions about any of these words or any of these meanings?
No.
Okay, do you know what is bias?
Profesor, es como un sitio para alojar opiniones de diferentes personas, no sé.
No, this is a like balancing something, okay? Esto es como una balanza que está balanceando algo. Entonces en este caso bias significa, o el significado de bias es inclinación, ¿ok? To support, apoyar una persona o cosa en una forma no justa, ¿ok? Dejando que opiniones personales influencien tu juicio. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Great. Now let's continue with Cynthia. Can you read from download to email?
Hello, teacher. Download. The process of receiving data of the internet. Upload, sending data to another system over the internet. Email system for sending messages from one computer to another.
That's it. Really good job. Just be careful with pronunciation of this word. This is receiving, like a long E. Receiving.
Receiving.
That's great. And this is data.
Data.
I'm not really sure if it is data or data, but I think it's data. Okay?
Data.
I need to check this. Okay, and this is messages. Messages. That's it. Great job. Okay, students, do you have any questions about any of these meanings or words?
Everything clear.
That's it. Really good. So, let's continue with Yusmari. Can you read from e-commerce to Googling?
Okay. E-commerce, the bulk selling of goods or service using internet and the transfer of money and data to execute these transitions. Fact, sometimes that is common to exist, especially for which proof exists or about which there is information. Fact news, information or propaganda publishes under the gigs of obeying authentic news. Googling, searching through the Google search engine.
Okay. Really good job. Just be careful. Okay, students, I have just checked and it is data, okay?
Data.
Yes. Data and yes, it is data. Now, be careful with the pronunciation of this word. This is here. Execute this transactions.
Disculpe.
Execute these transactions.
Transactions.
That's it. This is fact. Here, don't forget the sound before the t sound. Fact.
Some
Fact.
fact.
Yes. Here you have k, and after that t, fact.
Fact.
Okay. You need to practice your k sound. Okay.
Okay.
I have great videos for that. If you remind me later, I can send those videos over the group. Now, be careful with especially
Especially.
and knowing.
Knowing.
Known. No.
Knowing.
Ok. Aquí no hay I, solo O. O. No.
No.
That's it. Y after no, you say the N sound. Después se dice la N. Known.
Knowing.
Ok, known.
Knowing.
Es que estás diciendo knowing.
No, como que no me sale, teacher.
Como camión. That's it.
Knowing.
Okay.
Creo que debo practicar esa palabra. Porque...
Yes. Como decir camión y dejarla en un rato. Knowing.
Knowing.
That's it. Perfect.
Voy
Great.
a anotarla por aquí.
Great. And this is fake news. Fake news.
Fake news.
That's it. This is engine. Engine.
Engine.
That's it. Okay, students, do you have any questions about any of these words or these meanings?
Teacher,
Tell me.
fake news. What that means? The geese, the guys. I don't know.
The guise of being authentic news. Well, in this case, the guys. I really don't know because I have been looking for this and it says like in French, but I'm not really sure. Let me double check. La apariencia. Okay. La apariencia.
Gracias.
Under the appearance of being authentic news. Bajo la apariencia de ser noticias auténticas, pero they are fake. Got it?
Got it, teacher. Thank you.
Great. Okay, students, do you have any other questions?
Profesor, la palabra propaganda, que dice ahí escrita propaganda, se pronuncia como propaganda, algo así.
No, it's the same. Propaganda. It's
Igualita.
just like here we say ganda, not ganda. Okay? It's ganda, like an open propaganda.
Propaganda.
That's
Ganda.
it. Perfect.
Sin la N.
Yes, you say the N. Ganda.
Okay.
La diferencia está en la sonido de las As. O sea, como un poquito más abierto. Ganda. No es ganda, como en español.
Propaganda.
That's it. Great. Okay. Any other questions?
Teacher, ¿cómo se pronuncia auténtico?
Authentic.
Authentic. Thank you.
Yes. That's it. Any other questions? Yes, no. Authentic or authentic. Okay, you have the options. You can say authentic or authentic. Authentic. You can. Here you have it.
Authentic.
Authentic. You have these two options. Authentic, authentic. Okay, let's continue. Here we have journalism and misinformation. So I will choose one of you to read, and it would be Anna. Can you read from journalism to misinformation?
Journalism. The work of collecting, writing, and publishing or broadcasting news stories and articles, live streaming, to transmit or receive live video or and audio coverage of an event over the internet. Misinformation, like wrong information that is not right, I think.
That's it. Wrong information. Really good. Just be careful with the pronunciations of these words. This is journalism.
Journalism.
That's it. This is to transmit.
Transmit.
Yes, stressed syllable in trans. And this is an event. Stressed syllable invent.
An event.
That's it. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Nope. Okay. So we can continue.
Teacher, esa última palabra, ¿qué significaba?
Misinformation.
Ajá,
Desinformación.
ok.
Yo pensaba que era mala información.
No. Desinformación o información incorrecta también. O sea, sí. Desinformación significa información incorrecta. O información que está mala, ¿está bien?
Ok.
It's good. Okay. Now let's continue with Victoria Lozano. Can you read from news to outbox?
Yes. News, information, or reports about recent events. Newscaster, someone who reads out the reports on a television or radio news program. Network, a computer or telecommunications systems linked to permit exchange or information. Outbox, where outgoing email messages are temporarily stored.
Sounds great. Really good job. Just be careful with the pronunciation of these words. This is telecommunications.
Telecommunication.
Great. And this is linked.
Linked.
That's it. And that's all. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
Okay.
about any of these words or these meanings?
Everything clear.
Sounds great. Okay, tell me.
I want to know the difference between misinformation and fake.
Fake information. Here. Misinformation and fake news.
Yes, the difference between the two words.
Ok, they are related. Son muy parecidas. La única diferencia es que estas son noticias. Y esta puede ser cualquier tipo de información. ¿Ok? De hecho, este sería como la visión completa.
Eso sería,
La visión completa
eso,
sería desinformación. Y noticias falsas podría ser un tipo de misinformation. ¿Ok?
Okay, thanks.
Anytime. Okay, now, let's continue. Any other questions? Do you have any other questions? No. Okay.
Sí, teacher, a ver si me quedó claro.
Okay, tell me.
Fake news, teacher, yo. Ok, el fake news es como que noticias falsas específicas y el misinformation es como cualquier tipo de cosas que puedan salir en las personas inventar.
You get it.
Ok, thank you.
That's it. Now let's continue with Kelvin. Can you read it from inbox to recordings?
Okay. Inbox. An electronic folder that receives emails. Outlet. A store selling the goods of a particular company or goods of a particular type. Recording. Speech, music, or moving pictures that have been recorded to be listened to or watched later.
That's great. Sounds great. Just be careful. Emails.
Emails.
That's it. Now let's continue with Gerson. Can you read from sources to vlogger?
Okay. Source. Someone, something that supplies information. Troll. Someone who tries to make people mad by saying things on the internet. The purpose is the excited, strong emotion and online community. Update. To give someone the most recent information. Blogger. A person who regularly posts short videos to a blog.
That's it. Great job. Amazing job. Just be careful with the pronunciation, with the pronunciations of those words. This is supplies.
Supplies information.
Great. And this is in to its side. Strong emotion.
Strong emotion.
That's it.
Okay.
In an online. In an online.
In an online community.
That's it. And be careful, this is a really normal mistake. Don't forget that in English, the word the has two pronunciations. We have two options. We can say the or the. It depends of the network. If the network begins with a vowel sound, for example, apple, we say the apple. And if the network begins with a consonant, we say the. For example, book, the book. Here we have internet or internet begins with a vowel, so the internet.
The Ethernet.
That's it.
Okay.
Great job. And
Thank you.
be careful with this one. This is hard to pronounce for us. Posts.
Posts.
Great.
Con doble S.
Yes.
Posts.
STS. We don't have that sound in Spanish. Posts. Really good job. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
Profesor, tengo una pregunta en la palabra donde dice the purpose, no sé cómo se pronuncia. Aquí en short, the purpose is to side strong. Ahí, esa. Que se escribe en español purpose.
Purpose.
¿Cómo?
Purpose. Purpose. That means propósito. On a purpose.
Okay. On a purpose. Okay.
Como eso es su propósito. Purpose. Okay, any other questions?
No, teacher.
Do you know what is an update?
Actualización.
Actualización.
Okay, do you know the meaning between vlogger and blogger? Blogger with B and vlogger with V.
Blogger with B is a person, but blogger with B is like a website.
Space, será.
Yes, that's good. You can see it like
space.
That's it. You can say like this blogger is like an influencer, right?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, so do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay. So now we're supposed to. Reynaldo, can you read from web design to coverage?
Right, teacher. Well, the process of creating web series, wiki, web series that allows us to add other context of the site using the own web browser. Comparable, the report of a particular important event of that's it.
Okay, really good. Just be careful with the pronunciations of these words. This is design. This is creating websites.
Creating website.
Great. This is update. This is coverage. Really good. And this is event. And this is subject. Great.
Okay. All right.
Anytime.
All right. Thank you, teacher.
Anytime. Okay, students, do you have any questions? That's it. So here we have some definitions from number 1 to number 4, and we have some words from letter A to letter D. So you need to match the right definition with the right word. For example, wrong information means posts. Post. Of course, this is not the right one because I just want you to do that. And I will choose Irene. Can you do the number 1 and number 2? Irene, are you there? Okay.
Yes, I'm here, but my internet is very unstable. Stable.
Can you do number 1
Okay.
and 2?
Wrong information. Match the definition with the words. Let me see. Sorry, teacher, but I can't see it because I'm from my telephone and I can see the other page. Wrong information, but I can see. Okay. Wrong information. Maybe fake news. I don't know.
Well, in this case, wrong information is not fake news. Because here we have another which is fake information. So here you
Misinformation.
misinformation. That's it. Now, and the number 2, multimedia.
Consumer from source. Streaming. Maybe streaming.
Yes, streaming media. Really good.
Puedo ver.
Streaming media. That's
Media.
Now let's pass to
Okay.
Margaret. Can you do the number 3 and 4? Margaret.
Sí, teacher.
Margaret.
3, ¿verdad?
3 and 4.
Okay. Yeah, fake news.
That's
B.
it. And the number 4.
Streaming, no sé cómo se pronuncia la streaming media.
Okay, streaming media is the number 2. Multimedia that is delivered and comes from a source.
Sorry, teacher.
Streaming media is a number 2. So, image and audio even of content published online is another, which is letter so the number 4 is
Misinformación, la
no.
Misinformación.
No, misinformation is wrong information. Okay,
Streaming media.
okay, let me help you. Let me help
¿Qué
you.
entendí?
Let me help you.
Ajá.
Letter A is
Streaming media.
2. Letter B
A
is
2.
3.
Correcto.
Z is 1. So the 4 is
Number 1.
no.
Number one es word.
No, no, no,
No
no,
lo
no, no.
entendí, es que no lo estoy escuchando bien.
Okay, listen to me.
Ajá, number one is
Listen to me. Escúchame un momento.
G.
Escúchame un momento.
Ajá,
Si la 1, la 2 y la 3 ya se hicieron, y la A y la B y la C también, entonces quedan solo la 4 y la... y la D.
o sea que solo quedaría la número 4 y la entonces sería amongst or other item post content published online the box
That's it. A post is an image.
a post, sorry.
That's it. Post is an image or other item of content published online. That's good.
Indent. Thank you, teacher.
That's it.
Indent.
Item, yes.
Indent.
Just let me double check that pronunciation. And it is I. Item. It's I. Item.
Iron.
That's good.
Iron. Thank you, teacher.
Anytime. Now let's pass to Raquel. Can you try it?
Yes, teacher. I'm here.
Number 1 and 2.
Okay, boy. Ok, voy a leer bien.
Ok, Raquel.
Sí, estoy aquí, teacher. Estoy leyendo las definiciones.
Okay, the number 1 and the number 2.
Ok. The number 2, voy a empezar por is when later B, maybe?
No.
And 1,
No, no, no. A computer program to navigate social network. Let's go back. This is a network. And
network.
yes, so this is something that we use to get into the network. This is a program. We have many programs. For example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Brave.
Okay.
So, a computer program that you can use to enter the internet. El programa de computadora que se utiliza para entrar a internet se llama like this word, navigate, which allows you to navigate in the internet. It's called browser because it is browser means navegador. That's good.
Okay.
Browser. So many examples of browsers are, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Those are browsers. Now, what about
Okay.
the number one? User posts a
Teacher,
picture.
okay. The number one is maybe a letter D.
It's letter D, correct. People on
Okay.
Thursday usually make or share a picture from the past, and they use this abbreviation TBT. That means Throwback Thursday.
Okay, I got it. This is usually we, es como lo que usualmente hacemos cuando subimos una foto de recuerdo de tal día. Okay.
That's it.
Ah,
Viene de esta abreviación
cool.
que significa throwback, aquí falta una R, Throwback Thursday, y
Sí.
es como
Es,
jueves de recuerdos. Por eso que las personas lo hacen
okay.
en los jueves.
Yeah. Right, teacher. Thank you.
Anytime. Now, Paula, can you do the number 3 and 4?
Number 3 is C, and number 4 is B.
3C and 4 is B. Correct. LOL is an abbreviation for laughing out loud. Reír en voz alta. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Well, teacher.
Okay, we are not going to do this because we don't have enough time. So let's jump to the questions. Here we have many questions that I'm going to ask to every one of you. So, Victoria Lozano, can you answer the question number 1? What is your favorite social media and why?
Okay. I think my favorite social media is TikTok
That's it.
because, and I think I am addicted. I don't know, is entertaining. How can I say it? Entretenido.
Entertained, or in this case, entertaining. TikTok is entertaining.
Okay, TikTok is entertaining.
That's good. Now let's pass to Kelvin. Can you answer the number 2? What do you use the internet for? What do you use the internet for?
I use internet for search information, work, listen music, watch videos.
That's it. Really good. Now let's pass to Yarson. Can you answer the number 3? Which app or page do you watch? In which app or page do you watch movies or series? And why?
And in which app? Actually, I use Magic TV for watch videos or series on my television or in the computer as well.
That's it. Sounds great. Now let's pass to Reynaldo. Can you answer number 1? What is your favorite social media?
All right, teacher. Is Facebook. I love Facebook. It's very good.
That's good.
Two, for a student every day. He listen to music.
That's it. Really good.
Information general.
That's good. Great job.
All right.
Now, and let's pass to Anna. Can you answer number 2, please?
Well, I use the internet for many things, from having fun and searching information about the history because I have a page on Instagram that I post some history sometimes and for watch movies, TV shows, and many things.
Sounds great. Really good. Now let's pass to Yusmani. Can you answer the number three?
YouTube, teacher, YouTube, because I like it.
Sounds great. Now, Cynthia, can you answer number one?
My favorite social media is Instagram because I I like because consigo todo lo que quiera.
Because I find everything I want. Because I find everything I want.
I find everything I want.
Sounds great. Now, Henry, can you answer the number two? Okay, I think Henry is not there. So let's pass to you, Paola. Number two. Paola, are you there?
Yeah.
Number two.
I like. I don't know. I use the Instagram because the post is the beautiful and aesthetic.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, posts are static. Sounds great. Now, Raquel, can you answer the number three?
Yes, the app or page I can use is Netflix because I very a lot series and movies, so I like it. And Imagine TV too. I got this because it's very practice.
Sounds great. Great job. Now, Maria, are you there? No, she's not there, so let's pass to Jessica. Can you answer the number one?
My favorite social media is Instagram and LinkedIn.
Okay, sounds great. Why?
LinkedIn because share information share the job.
The job, really good. And now let's pass. Okay, tell me.
And Instagram because is my person is very it's very completed.
Okay, sounds great. Now let's pass to Margaret. Number two.
Teacher. In Facebook, YouTube, and music.
Okay, sounds great.
Bueno, que se escucha por YouTube igualito.
Sounds great. Really good. Really good.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, students, do you have any questions? about today's class?
No, teacher.
Okay, so here we have some sentences that I am going to read, and you are going to say if they are true or false and why. And here we have a meme. Me, something on the internet. Is this a meme? So here we have trolls. Hello? And someone has his microphone on. Okay, right. Here, trolls are nice people who just want to have fun. Ya, alguien tiene el micrófono encendido. Creo que ya. So, trolls are nice people who just want to have fun. Is it true or false?
False.
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 Okay.
False. Trolls.
It's false. You are not nice people. Now, what about this one? A meme is an image, video, or piece of text, etc. Typically humorous. Is it true or false?
True.
It's true. Here we have a meme. Here we have a meme about memes. Now, an update is to give old information. Is it true or false?
False.
Why?
Update is to give new information.
New information, that's it. Great job.
Yes.
Sounds great. Ok, practican este vocabulario porque lo más probable es que para el examen 1 les salga alguna especie de texto en el cual tengan que completar utilizando, por ejemplo, social media networks, entre otros. ¿Ok? Entonces, practíquenlo.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Really good. Now, let me stop recording.
Disculpe, ¿puedes repetir? Porque no lo escuché.
Que practiquen este vocabulario porque en el examen 1 les va a salir muy probablemente un texto de completación con esta información.
Thank you, teacher.
Anytime.
Thanks, teacher.
Let me stop recording.